I want you to take this very seriously. Don't take it as just, oh yeah, I say confessions, I say stuff. When you say the right things with the right expectation and energy around it, the moment you open your mouth and say it, things go to work on your behalf. That's how serious your words are. So you want to create some mantras that you say. My mouth changed my money situation. The clients in Success Mastery, when they started experiencing breakthrough after breakthrough after breakthrough, is not just because we have incredible systems in place. And the curriculum is amazing. But also, they have the spiritual side. And that's the soul side of what you say and what you do. When they started saying the right things about their situation, the right things started happening. And so I want you to take this very seriously. Don't take it as just, oh yeah, I say confessions, I say stuff. When you say the right things with the right expectation and energy around it, the moment you open your mouth and say it, things go to work on your behalf. That's how serious your words are. I tell you how important the right words are. That at times in your life, you will need sudden breakthroughs. And just any old words will not do. You're going to have to still yourself and get quiet. And you're going to have to trust your intuition. And your gut and your intuition is going to speak to you. And it's going to tell you certain words to say. Just like there's certain actions you can take. There's certain words to say. And when you say those particular words at that particular time over that particular situation, you will move mountains. But most of us don't get it that intuitive with our business. The first time I had a 100,000 day, not year, not week, a 100,000 day, I asked the question in my success journal every day. I wrote in my journal, how will I manifest my $100,000 day? Whatever came to me, I wrote down. How will I manifest my $100,000 day? One day, as I was writing that, I didn't just get this whole, oh, I think this and just write. One day I had a aha moment. The aha moment, I heard clearly, say this. And I wrote down what I was supposed to say about that $100,000 day. Now, I had confessions, I had affirmations, I had the stickies all over my computer. But for this answer to this question for this day, it came to me, say this. I said it. I wrote down what I heard I was supposed to say. I said that every day leading up to my $100,000 day. I kept manifesting what? $100,000 days. I had the boldness to step out and believe that I could do it. And when I did it, it happened. Then I stepped into a new arena. I stepped into a new arena of $100,000 day arena. It changed and shifted everything. But I believe if I would not have said what I thought I heard to say, it would not have happened. See, sometimes things come to us and we think they're so minute. It's just words. Everybody says confession. Oh, that's age. Oh, I listened to Napoleon Hill. Oh, I got Think and Grow Rich. Oh, I heard all this. Oh, yeah, I heard that. I've been to every seminar. But it's not what you've been to, it's what you do. Is it working in you and for you? So let's say this together. Because this is about our mind. This mantra will clear your mind. Say, I possess the power to form things in my thoughts and manifest those things that I think about into my reality. In order to do this, I release competitive thinking and embrace a creative mind. I am okay with making as much money as I can. I'm okay with people who have a lot of money. God, enlarge my territory. I thank you for making me rich. I hold in my thoughts a clear picture of what I want with a fixated purpose, unwavering faith that I possess it in due time. I intentionally close my mind to anything that might try to shake me. My purpose, dim my vision, or quench my spirit. I am ready to receive what I want when it manifests for me. I am acting upon the people and things in my present environment as if it already is my desired result. By doing so, I am actively attracting into my life what I want. Wait a minute. What do you want? So if it's $100,000, what I want, $100,000 day, a $10,000 day, a $1,000 day, a $5 day, whatever it is. It depends on where you're at. Say it right now. What I want, whatever it is. You don't have to say mine. Say where you're at, what you can do. Say it again. Come on, say it again like you mean it. All right, come on. Just clap it up like it's about to happen. Like it's about to happen. Say everything just shifted. Something just happened in the atmosphere. I can feel it even though I can't see it. Something is working on my behalf. Contracts, contacts, opportunities, doors open. Right now, it's happening in the atmosphere. Somebody, somewhere, is getting my money ready to send me my check. It's coming. Delivered to me now. Come on.